Hey! It's an interjection. Hey everyone, today we're going to do a lesson about interjections. Okay, that was the worst intro ever, but whatever. We are going to learn about interjections, okay? Our learning goals for this lesson are learn how to show emotion with an interjection. I'm going to keep that. I like that. Okay, so what is an interjection? Well, an interjection is a word or words that show emotion or feeling. Just like I said, hey, right? It's kind of a greeting. So, an interjection can stand alone. It can be by itself as one word or maybe two if it shows a strong feeling, a strong emotion. All we have to do is add an exclamation point, like right here. Wow. Wow. See? I didn't just say, wow. There's not a real strong emotion there, but, right? I get something, I'm like, whoa! That's a strong emotion, and it can be by itself as an interjection. If an interjection shows just kind of mild emotion, average emotion, it's emotion, but not strong, we add a comma right after that interjection and use it to start the sentence. See right there? Chris got a haircut. It wasn't, right? It was just, Chris got a haircut. It's not a standalone word. We wouldn't go, be serious, Chris. Let's take a look at an example because they're really not that hard. There's two ways to do interjections. I'm not going to waste your time. Let's look at this first one. Our interjection is, happy birthday. I wonder how we're going to do this one. Happy birthday! We all love you. We added an exclamation point to happy birthday because it's a strong emotion. It is a stand-alone interjection. Boom! Exclamation point. We all love you. We're actually still saying that loudly. We're happy. So we put an exclamation point there. So, strong emotion by itself. Two words as like a phrase, happy birthday, can be a single interjection with an exclamation point. Yeah, they're not that hard, right? But what's the other one? Oh. Our interjection is, oh. So, I feel like it's hard to be serious with this lesson, but yeah, let's try, right? Oh, look at the time, right? No, that sounds funny. Oh, look at the time. See, the exclamation is at the end of the sentence, not on the O. The guy was sitting there at his computer, and he's just, oh, right? It just, whoa, what happened? Oh, look at the time. The look at the time part is the very strong emotion. The O is like we wake up or something from daydreaming. Oh, look at the time, right? We wouldn't do, oh, exclamation point. That'd be strange. You know, in this sentence, it would be strange, right? Oh, look at the time. I need to hurry up and finish. See how there's no exclamation point on that last part? Because it's saying the fact. It's not really like, I need to hurry up and finish. You can see in the video, he's not panicking, right? He's not racing and grabbing stuff, and so there's no need for exclamation point on that part, right? It'd be crazy to do that. So, O is not really a strong emotion. We just add a comma because it is an emotion, and it's the start of our sentence. That's it, right? It wasn't very hard. Interjections, I kept thinking, how do I make a video on this? It's going to take like 5-6 minutes. You know, it's very short, but it's what it is. So how do we use an interjection? Well, two ways, we just saw them. If an interjection shows a strong emotion, the word by itself, we use the word by itself and give it an exclamation point. If an interjection shows mild emotion, just normal emotion, okay? We add a comma and connect it to the sentence. That's it. Pretty simple to use these things. So, now that we know how to do this, let's do our quiz. Yeah, let's do our practice stuff. Now, there's going to be more than just, the two simple things here. Let's look at the directions. Correct each sentence. Add an exclamation point, a period, or comma where it's needed. So you have to understand these sentences and what it's trying to say to know where to put the exclamation point, where to put a comma, and where to put a period. So take a moment, pause the video now, and write your answers down, and then leave me a comment with your answers, especially if you have something different, If you can justify it, if you can prove why you have a different answer than me, maybe it's okay, right? Let's see. Pause the video now and do your answers. Okay, now I am sure that you paused the video and did your answers. If not, well, we're quite far into this course and you know better. Okay, let's take a look at our answers now. Cool. They're right over here, right? I always forget what side it's on. No, it'd be on this side. It's on this side. I did. Our answers are right here. Now you can see the corrections in red, right? Let's look at the first one. Oh, I hope so. Well, it's not really a strong word. It's not strong emotions. Oh, so we put a comma there. And I hope so. Put a period. It's not, I hope so. We're not shouting it out, right? It's not a strong sentence. It's just mild across the board. So comma and a period and we're good. Number 2. Oops. Of course, oops is going to always have an exclamation point because it was a sudden mistake, right? Oops, I dropped the glass. The second part isn't very serious. It isn't very strong, so it's just a period. I dropped the glass. Oops, I dropped the glass. Number 3. Well, let's get everything ready. It's not well. Okay? It's not that. It's well, let's get everything ready. So we add a comma and put a period at the end. Nothing crazy happening in that sentence. Number 4. Hooray! Ooh, we know that's a single exclamation point. Yeah, it's an awesome thing, right? I made the team. Ooh, I made the team is also an exclamation point because yeah, right? Yeah. I made the team. They're both strong, so they get an exclamation point for each piece. Number 5. Hey. No. Think about it like if your mom was saying this, right? And you're walking out of the house. Hey! Grab your umbrella. I think it makes more sense, right? We imagine what was happening. Hey! Exclamation point. We had to capitalize the G now because it's a separate sentence. Grab your umbrella, period, right? It's kind of turned into, not an interrogative, an imperative sentence. There we go, remembering. An imperative sentence. It's not you grab your umbrella, it's grab your umbrella. We don't need the subject there, so capital G. And number 6, ouch! Ooh, ouch! That hurt! Yeah, both of them are strong emotions. Pain is a strong emotion, so we put an exclamation point on both of them. Yeah, it's a fast lesson today, right? If you have any questions, tell me. Now! I'm just kidding. Interjection. So if you have any problems, let me know. Leave me a comment. Make some of your own sentences and show me how good you are at interjections. I'm curious to see what you come up with because interjections are fun to play with, you know? It always reminds me of like the old comic books with bang, pow. Those are all interjections. I'll see you for the next lesson. Bye.